We're going to look at example 12, where we find the value of z star of z as determined by the figure that we have up above that's cutting off a left tail of area 0.0125. In symbols, we want to find the probability that z is less than this value z star, and that area is equal to 0.0125. Now, this is sort of the opposite of what we've been doing in our prior examples. In our prior examples, we were given a z value, and we wanted to find the area or the probability that falls to the left. Or sometimes we had to find the probability to the right and subtract from 1, or the probability in between two z values by subtracting those two probabilities. But now we're looking at the opposite. We're given the probability or the area, and we've got to find the z value that generates that area. Okay, so we're going to use an opposite formula in Excel. So let's go to Excel, and we're going to type in equal norm.s.inv. That's our inverse function, and we're going to put in this probability, and I believe it was 0.0125. Let me just make sure of that again. Yes. All right, and then we'll hit enter, and there is the z value that would generate that area, negative 2.2414. Now we'll see that we're going to do different things if our area is to the right or our area is in between two values. But right now, this is how we'll get it if it's to the left.